Sabadi!
Welcome back, guys. You can cut with us. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Katie.
Today we're going to show you how to make Jeow with Phet,
which is a garlic chili oil, which is best used in any soups like the Khao Piak D that we made in our very first video. I know a lot of you guys have been asking how to make this, and it will really dress up any type of soup or dish that you want. Just do not eat it alone.
All right, so for this recipe, it's super easy. All you need is vegetable oil, whole red chili peppers, dried, and garlic. Let's get started.
Let's go.
Alright, so your next step to this chili oil is going to be to pan fry your dried chili peppers. We're going to use 2 bags of this, which is 200 grams, and you're just going to dump them all into your pan. They're going to pop a little bit, but you're just going to cook them until they turn a little bit brown, and then take them off because you don't want to burn them. I've turned on my fan because as you're frying these, you're gonna get like a smell in your house that tickles your throat. That's the peppers releasing into your ear.
Alright guys, Katie's all finished frying up the peppers. Now we're ready to blend. You can also use the old school way, the mortar?
Mortar.
That's right.
It's a harder, unnecessary way.
So be careful because it's still really hot. I guess we need to get a tong or something to put it in.
I'm still choking half an hour.
Can you go wash your hands and get away?
My point is, do this in a well-ventilated area.
See how easy it is just to blend? Look at this.
Alright, after you chop up your garlic, you're gonna fry it quickly. You don't wanna burn this, so literally like a minute. Alright, our garlic's browned. Katie's gonna add our oil. We're doing 4 cups with our 2 whole cloves of garlic, and then all the chili that we just grinded up. 2 whole heads of garlic.
Yeah.
Did I say cloves? Yep. All right.
Has cooled down enough for me to start bottling it. We're just going to use glass containers, and then you would just store it at room temperature.
Alright guys, there you have it. Super easy. Great to add a little kick to any of your favorite soup dishes. Try it with one of our soup recipes we've already shared, and let us know what you think. Like and subscribe.
Just take a taste. Woo! Too good.
This pause.
I know. That's what you want.
See ya. Bye.